Dear students, today I am going to start module 4. In the module 4, we are going to discuss about the normalization and functional dependency concepts. Okay, so first let us see what are the informal design guidelines of relation schema. Informal design guidelines for relation schemas. There are 4 informal design guidelines. That is, semantics of the attributes in relations must be clear. Second guideline is redundant information in tuples and update anomalies. Null values in tuples. Generation of spurious tuples to avoid at any cost. We'll see one by one. First one is semantics of the attributes in relations must be clear. That means, so when we are defining the relation and its attributes should be clear. It should not be merged. More than one relation attribute should not be merged together. Okay, that is, attributes of different entities should not be mixed in the same relation. For example, if you will take the company database, employee, department and project attributes should not be mixed together. It should be separate. Only foreign keys should be used to refer to other entities. Okay, using foreign key we can link the different entities. Entity and relationship attributes should be kept apart as much as possible. Okay, so here the main guideline is, so each tuple in a relation should represent one entity or relationship instance. Okay, so that is the thing. So that semantics of the attribute should be easy to interpret. So that is the first guidelines. Okay, the next one is, that is the thing. So for example, here we made employee separate, department location, project works on separate entities, relations with the different attributes. And that employee and department table is linked with department number, and then this project and works on table is linked with project number. Okay, with primary key and foreign key relationship. Then second guideline is in redundant information in tuples and update anomalies. Okay, so due to redundant information in tuples, it is going to face the 3 anomalies problems, that is insertion anomalies, deletion anomalies and modification anomalies. Okay, so and also that redundant information is stored means that is wastage of space. So it is going to cause many problems. We will see that anomalies how it is going to arise problem. So for example, employee and project is mixed together, that is a 2 relations mixed together and made as one relation means this information will be their name, project, e-name and number of hours. So here how it is going to make that update anomaly problem means, so suppose we are changing the project name billing to customer accounting means it should be updated in, suppose that the record there are 100 employees are there, in that mean all 100 employees working in that corresponding project P1 should be updated. Otherwise the duplication of data will occur. Then insert anomalies. So suppose we have, suppose for example new employee has joined, so still the project is not assigned means we can't able to insert the data, because employee ID and project ID together it is a primary key, composite primary key. This is insertion anomaly. Then deletion anomaly is, suppose when a project is deleted, one particular project is deleted, automatically that corresponding employees working on that project also removed. This is deletion anomalies. Okay, so these are all the problems we are going to face over there. So for example, suffering from update anomalies, we have emp department and emp project. In the emp project will take, this is suppose for example, that already we have seen that same examples we have seen over there. And then these are the examples. So it is not, then what is a guideline means, we have to design a relation that does not suffer from insertion, deletion and updation anomalies. Okay, this is the second guideline. First one, the semantics of the attributes should be clear. The relation should be clear. Second one is design a schema that does not suffer from insertion, deletion and updation anomalies. Then next is null values in tuples. So relations should be designed such that tuples will have as few null values as possible. Okay, if more null values are there frequent, that to be attributes that are null frequently would be placed separately in a separate relation. Okay, otherwise it will take more space. This is going to face so many problems when you are doing the operations. So when we are going to represent that attribute value as null means attributes are not applicable or not valid, or the attributes or values are unknown. Okay, already we have seen, for example, date of birth is exists but that time it is unknown. Okay, some applications, for example, diploma marks are not applicable for regular students, that is not applicable case. So value known to exist but now currently it is unavailable, that situations we are going to represent that value as null. Then what is this one? When you are performing join operation, we are going to face if the relation is having more null values. So what we are to do means there is a problem. Then we are going for a spurious tuples. So spurious tuples means when you are going to use the join operations between the relations, so that spurious tuples will be generated sometimes. Spurious tuples means, so the tuples will be having the wrong data, that is not matched with the correct data in the original relation. So actually we should avoid this. Okay, so we have to do the join operations. No spurious tuples should be generated while doing the natural join of any relations. So that we should take care. Okay, so this is the fourth guideline. So the spurious tuple, there is the main important properties of decomposition is, so lossless of join it should preserve the functional dependency. Okay, so that is a main important concept. So no spurious tuples should be generated. So these four things are the main important guidelines for the, that is informal design guidelines of relation schemas. Okay, I think everyone understood. Go through the example with company database. Thank you.